In today's competitive business landscape, efficiency reigns supreme. Companies are under constant pressure to deliver more with less, and the ability to streamline operations can make the difference between success and failure. Organizations constantly seek ways to streamline processes, reduce waste, and maximize value for customers. This quest for efficiency drives innovation and fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Enter Lean Six Sigma, a powerful methodology that combines the principles of lean manufacturing with the statistical rigor of Six Sigma. This hybrid approach leverages the strengths of both methodologies to create a robust framework for process improvement. This potent combination empowers businesses to achieve operational excellence by systematically identifying and eliminating waste while minimizing variation in processes. The result is a more efficient, predictable, and high-quality output. Lean Six Sigma is not merely a set of tools, but rather a holistic philosophy that permeates an organization's culture. It encourages a mindset of proactive problem-solving and fosters a collaborative environment where every team member is engaged in the pursuit of excellence. It emphasizes customer focus, data-driven decision-making, and a relentless pursuit of continuous improvement. By prioritizing the needs and expectations of customers, organizations can ensure that their efforts are aligned with delivering maximum value. By embracing Lean Six Sigma, businesses can unlock significant benefits, including reduced costs, improved quality, increased customer satisfaction, and enhanced profitability. These advantages not only boost the bottom line, but also strengthen the organization's competitive position in the market. The beauty of Lean Six Sigma lies in its adaptability. It's a versatile methodology that can be tailored to fit the unique needs and challenges of any organization. It can be applied to any industry, from manufacturing and healthcare to finance and software development. This flexibility makes Lean Six Sigma a valuable tool for organizations of all sizes and sectors. Whether a company aims to optimize its production line, streamline its supply chain, or enhance its service delivery, Lean Six Sigma provides a proven framework for achieving breakthrough results. The methodology's structured approach ensures that improvements are sustainable and scalable. This essay will delve into the core principles of Lean Six Sigma, exploring its historical roots, key methodologies, and real-world applications. By understanding the evolution and foundational concepts of Lean Six Sigma, organizations can better appreciate its transformative potential. Through compelling case studies and practical examples, we will uncover how organizations can leverage Lean Six Sigma to transform their operations and thrive in today's dynamic business environment. These stories of success will illustrate the tangible impact of Lean Six Sigma and inspire others to embark on their own journey of continuous improvement. The roots of Lean Six Sigma can be traced back to two distinct but complementary methodologies: Lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. Lean manufacturing, pioneered by Toyota in the post-World War II era, focuses on eliminating waste and optimizing processes to create value for the customer. This approach, often referred to as the Toyota Production System (TPS), revolutionized the automotive industry and has since been adopted by businesses worldwide. Six Sigma, on the other hand, emerged in the 1980s at Motorola as a data-driven approach to quality management. It emphasizes statistical analysis and process control to reduce defects and variation, aiming for near-perfect quality levels. General Electric, GE, under Jack Welch's leadership, famously embraced Six Sigma in the 1990s, achieving remarkable cost savings and efficiency gains that propelled the company to new heights. The convergence of Lean and Six Sigma in the late 20th century gave birth to Lean Six Sigma, a powerful methodology that combines the best of both worlds. It leverages the waste reduction principles of Lean with the statistical rigor of Six Sigma to create a comprehensive approach to process improvement. Today, Lean Six Sigma is a globally recognized standard for operational excellence, embraced by organizations of all sizes and industries. At the heart of Lean Six Sigma lies the DMAIC framework, a structured five-phase problem-solving methodology that guides organizations through the process improvement journey. This framework is not just a set of steps, but a comprehensive approach that ensures every aspect of the process is scrutinized and optimized. DMAIC stands for Define, Measure, analyze, improve, and control, each phase representing a critical step in the process. These phases work in harmony to drive continuous improvement and operational excellence. Define. The define phase sets the stage for improvement by clearly articulating the problem or opportunity, defining project goals, and establishing the project scope. This phase is crucial as it lays the foundation for the entire project. This phase ensures that the team is aligned on the problem they are trying to solve and the desired outcomes. It involves creating a project charter, identifying stakeholders, and setting clear objectives. Measure. The measure phase focuses on collecting data to quantify the current state of the process. Accurate measurement is essential to understand the extent of the problem and to track progress. This involves identifying key performance indicators, KPIs, establishing baseline measurements, and gathering data through various methods such as observation, surveys, and data analysis. The data collected during this phase serves as the benchmark for future comparisons. Analyze. The analyze phase delves into the data collected in the previous phase to understand the root causes of the problem. This phase is about turning data into actionable insights. This often involves using statistical tools and techniques such as root cause analysis, process mapping, and hypothesis testing to identify the factors that contribute most significantly to the problem. By pinpointing these factors, teams can focus their efforts on the most impactful areas. The improve phase focuses on developing and implementing solutions to address the root causes identified in the analyze phase. This is where creative problem solving and innovation come into play. This may involve redesigning processes, implementing new technologies, or changing employee behaviors. The goal is to create solutions that are both effective and sustainable. The goal is to create a more efficient and effective process that meets the defined goals. Successful implementation often requires collaboration, training, and sometimes a cultural shift within the organization. Control. The control phase ensures that the improvements implemented are sustained over time. This phase is about maintaining the gains achieved and ensuring long-term success. This involves establishing monitoring systems, developing control plans, and providing ongoing training to employees. Regular reviews and audits are conducted to ensure that the new processes are being followed and are delivering the expected results. The goal is to prevent the problem from recurring and to embed the improvements into the organization's standard operating procedures. By doing so, organizations can achieve lasting improvements and continue to build on their successes. Central to the lean philosophy is the relentless pursuit of eliminating waste, or muda in Japanese. This concept is not just about reducing physical waste, but also about optimizing every aspect of a process to ensure maximum efficiency and value. The 8 wastes framework, also known as TIMWOOD, provides a comprehensive lens through which organizations can identify and eliminate non-value-added activities within their processes. Each type of waste represents a different way in which resources can be misused or underutilized, leading to inefficiencies and increased costs. Transportation, unnecessary movement of materials, products, or information. This can include excessive shipping, handling, or even digital data transfers that do not add value to the end product. Inventory. Excess inventory beyond what is required to meet customer demand. Holding too much stock ties up capital and can lead to increased storage costs and potential obsolescence. Motion, unnecessary movement of people or equipment. This includes any extra steps taken by employees that do not contribute directly to the value of the product or service. Waiting delays or idle time caused by bottlenecks or inefficiencies. This can be seen in production lines, office workflows, or even customer service processes where time is wasted waiting for the next step. Overproduction. Producing more than is needed or producing it too early. This leads to excess inventory and increased storage costs, as well as potential waste if the products become obsolete. Overprocessing, performing unnecessary steps or using overly complex procedures. This can involve redundant paperwork, excessive quality checks, or using more resources than necessary to achieve the same result. Defects, errors, rework, or scrap that result from poor quality. Defects not only waste materials, but also time and effort spent on reworking or replacing faulty products. Unused talent, not fully utilizing the skills, knowledge, and creativity of employees. When employees' potential is not harnessed, it leads to missed opportunities for innovation and improvement. By systematically identifying and eliminating these 8 wastes, organizations can streamline their processes, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. This approach not only enhances productivity, but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement. For example, a manufacturing company might reduce transportation waste by optimizing its factory layout, ensuring that materials and products move through the production process with minimal unnecessary movement. Meanwhile, a healthcare provider could minimize waiting time by implementing an appointment scheduling system that reduces patient wait times, thereby improving the overall patient experience and operational efficiency. The 8 Wastes framework is a versatile tool applicable across various industries and organizational functions. Whether in manufacturing, healthcare, service industries, or office environments, the principles of waste reduction can lead to significant improvements. By embracing this framework, businesses can create a culture of continuous improvement where employees are empowered to identify and eliminate waste in all its forms. This not only boosts efficiency, but also enhances employee engagement and satisfaction, leading to a more dynamic and successful organization.